Got it? You got it. All right, a little bit of water on this. Oh, I need to cut the edges off. So we got to connect this to another one because it doesn't make it around. So I can either overlap it or I can cut an edge. And I think I'm going to cut it. So we're going to match up. So match up our edge with this. And then I don't know how long I'm going to need, so that I'll worry about later. So let's get this side cut off. And they may not match up exactly, but they'll be close enough. People won't be looking at that, I guarantee it. Okay, so I'm just using the sugar glue to attach this. It works the best. This Joelle's sugar glue. Anything that's sugar to sugar, it'll do chocolate, and I'm going to be using it for my sugar beads when the time comes. But as you can see, this works really well to attach the sugar pieces. So we're getting the lace on here using the sugar glue. Yeah, it's working beautifully. There you go. Look at that. Easy peasy. It's got this nice little applicator. Okay, so now we want to match up this other piece. So we have it matched here, but we need to figure out where to cut it over here. It's not going to quite match up, but that's okay. So right here. We'll just have to fake it, that's all. And obviously that's not going to be the front of the cake. So again with the sugar glue. All right. So I'll just get these last little pieces on. Seem to have some pink sugar on here from I don't know where. But this is the back, and I'm not going to show it to you, so there. I'm going to take some scissors, small scissors, and trim this little excess piece off here. That's here in the back. And save this lace because you can certainly use it for other things. Okay, so we've got this on. We're ready to do the 8-inch. Put that on. I think these are all the same height. I measured these with my cakes earlier, so you got to make sure these are just slightly taller than your cake. So that is kind of important. So yeah, that's it. Okay, I'll put this on. The screw for the next one. It's just easier to put the screw on before you get the cake on. It's about a 1/2 inch, not even a 1/2 inch higher than the cake. Maybe a 1/2 inch higher than the cake. Now this one I do want beads hanging off of. Beads are going to go from this tier to the 10-inch tier. So this is where I need to put them on. I have a smaller set and larger set of beads, and this is the smaller set of beads. I should have 12 of these, 12 strands, hopefully. And then I have these guys, which are going to go on the side of that cake. So I've got 4 of those. Okay, so now we're going to take these on. And what we're doing is we're doing these in sets of 3. Okay, so we're going to put the 8-inch on. What I've done is we've got these in sets of 3, groupings of 3, and I've, hopefully got them somewhat evenly. Actually, looks like I need to move this one over a little bit. This one's not quite where it should be. But you want them even 3 even spacing around. That's fairly even. You want them, across from each other, and it's sets of 3. And then we're going to put this guy on, and then we need to pipe the border. Oh, I need to put this in because I don't want my cake to be on that. Okay. We can cut this excess off. Okay, put the lock nut or the washer What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the board on and then put the washer on that. When I put it on, I'll put this on, I'll put another washer to hold that down, and then a nut. So that's what I'm going to end up doing. So that's what we're going to wait right now to do. Oh, I guess we can do it. We can go ahead and do that now. Make sure that bottom washer isn't coming out. Yeah, it's okay. We're all right.